Hey everyone, welcome back to the Little Blue Skiff. I'm here at Lake Baldwin. Slightly windier day. I'll just pan across the lake. See the winds around 5 to 7, maybe 8 miles an hour, coming across the lake from left to right. So a couple things I've done with the boat. I've added these the sail ties, so when I'm launching the boat, the sail is secure. The other thing that I've done or trying out is I've wrapped the cleats on the mast in a towel with a twist tie, because the jib lines when I was sailing were getting caught underneath the cleats, which was causing a problem. Anyways, I got it all loaded up and kind of ready to be put in the water now. So here we go. All right, here we are at the dock. Sailboat's rigged up. The wind kind of is mixed. Sometimes it's gusty, sometimes it's light. But it's blowing from left to right. So I have the boat on the dock. So the wind is just holding the boat against the dock at this particular point. So let's go. All right, here's another perspective in the boat. Just checking everything's okay. Put up the jib. Gonna try putting up the sail. Blue Skiff, here I am on Lake Baldwin sailing. It's a beautiful day. I'll pan around a little bit. So basically we're on the wind's coming from the north, and we're on pretty much on a beam reach right now, on a beam, going across the lake. It's a beautiful day. You can look behind me. Work on my rope management still, but yeah, things are going pretty good.